Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses.
There has to be consensus for those recognised stages. Agreed stages. Yeah.
Definitely.
So it's not just recognised by you that this would be a useful order and sequence to execute the plan. You have consensus, meaning that you've got unanimous agreement that we must start with phase 1 before proceeding to phase 2. You've gone from vision to goal to decisions to risk analysis to pre-planning.
This is the how then.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Implementation.
Yeah. I still to this day don't know why managers seem to or project managers seem to find the whole concept of strategic planning to be so complex, because it does not need to be. You do it every day.
Stage 1 is the start, isn't it?
Yeah, start then. Step number 1. Let's make it really simple. Yeah, I like that. Let's just get started.
Yeah, I mean, you know, is that a section? Is that the first step? Is
Well, the plan precedes the action.
Yeah.
You're not taking any action just yet. You've got to plan it before you do it. You don't climb that mountain until you've got a plan of how to get there.
So you need to decide what the hows to make up the whole. So you need at this point you need to figure out. Because we've already in our SMART figured out the goal and the steps in between. We now need to decide on those steps.
Yes. Keep shifting the context until you get it. So we've got 2 contexts already for planning. One would be the building, one would be the climbing of the mountain, and the one that I said you do every single day would be what? Outside of the office. What's a sat-nav do for you?
Directions.
Plans the route.
Yeah.
Determined by
Where you want to go.
where you want to go
Where
and
you started. Where you start from. Where you going to.
it's not as complex as you really think it is. We've already had a lot of those complex conversations. We're now at the how to. All the brainstorming for the innovation. You imagine doing this in reality with your teams. You could probably spend a month or an entire quarter, it's under there, isn't it? Doing that in practice until you get to the stage where you've got buy-in from everyone and you're now going to do it. And you step into now the phase of, well, how do you do it then?
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.